With the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 set to ship in early October, Insta360 is primed to completely transform the action camera industry. Building on the popularity of the Insta360 Ace Pro, its next version offers a slew of intriguing enhancements designed to improve your experience creating content. With an emphasis on increased performance, better features, and simplified usability, the Ace Pro 2 is poised to enable artists to push the limits of their medium and record life's most priceless moments with previously unheard-of clarity and accuracy. Better lens and sensor. With a much larger 1.3-inch sensor, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 can capture more light and produce better quality images. It is the perfect option for taking amazing pictures and films because of its f2.6 aperture and remarkable 50-megapixel stills mode. The changeable lens design of the camera also provides unmatched versatility, enabling you to quickly switch lenses and adjust to any shooting scenario, from wide-angle to telephoto images, and all in between. This adaptability guarantees that you're ready to take on any creative task that presents itself. Greater field of view and 8K video. With the amazing 8K recording capacity at 30 frames per second of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, you can take your video material to new heights. An engaging watching experience is guaranteed by the crystal clarity with which every detail is captured in this high-resolution video. The Ace Pro 2 also has a little larger field of vision than its predecessor, which lets you record more of the action that's happening in front of your lens. You won't miss a thing with this enlarged perspective, which makes it ideal for frantic activities, expansive landscapes, or any situation where you want to highlight the overall picture. Extended battery life and improved low-light efficiency. Enjoy the ability to continuously record life's priceless events because of the longer battery life of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Take pleasure in prolonged shooting sessions without being restricted by power limitations. The Ace Pro 2 also excels in low light, delivering breathtaking footage with amazing clarity and depth. This camera is designed to function well in every location and can easily adjust to a variety of conditions, including bright sunshine and low light. The Ace Pro 2 offers outstanding performance, guaranteeing that your creative vision is realized, whether you're chasing the golden hour or bravely facing the night. Improved software and audio quality. Experience a smooth and captivating audio-visual encounter with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, which features improved audio quality that ideally matches its breathtaking sights. Insta360's dedication to user-centric design is demonstrated by the revised software interface of the camera, which incorporates vital input to create a more streamlined and intuitive experience. With an interface that is both user-friendly and powerful, you can navigate with ease, access functions with ease, and unleash your creative potential. The software on the Ace Pro 2 has been improved in every way to make using it seamless and pleasurable, freeing you up to concentrate on accurately and artistically recording life's moments. Cost and availability. Anticipated to retail for $399, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 presents itself as a cost-effective and competitive alternative within the action camera industry. Put an early October date on your calendars for when the camera will be available for purchase. For adventure seekers and content creators, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a huge advancement, providing a feature-rich upgrade that improves every step of your content creation process. With its advanced sensor, lens, and feature set, this camera is poised to revolutionize your visual storytelling capabilities. Get ready to record the most thrilling moments of your life with never-before-seen clarity, accuracy, and originality. Prepare to witness the ultimate game-changer in the action camera industry while we wait for more updates. With the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, you'll be able to take your material to previously unattainable levels and expand the realm of what's possible